Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of one TikTok account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Logging out of one TikTok account basically means switching to another account. So, how it's done, I'll show you. Firstly, open to your profile. After that, click on this three dot which is on the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Settings, which is also on the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down a little bit until you find Switch Account. Since I haven't added another account, but you can add another account and switch to that account and log out from this account. That's how you can log out of one TikTok account. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.